Welcome to Motor Intense. Hyundai Motor India has been contributing to government efforts in fighting COVID-19. Today, it has partnered with Air Liquide Medical Systems to augment production and supply of ventilators to Tamil Nadu and other states. With this partnership, both the companies aim to achieve to make 1,000 ventilators in a month in phase 1 and to scale up subsequently. To throw more light on this initiative, we have with us Mr. B.C. Datta, Vice President Corporate Affairs, Hyundai Motor India, and Mr. Ganesh Mani S, Director Manufacturing, Hyundai Motor India. Let us listen to them. We are bringing to you from their respective homes located in different parts of Chennai. Welcome, Mr. Datta. Can you tell us what is the criteria to choose Air Liquide Medical Systems?
Oh, yes. The first and foremost, reason is the Air Liquide is based out of Chennai, and they have operations here, and they are making one of the best ventilators in India, in the world, of course. But in India, the models that they are doing is the best. And added to that, their present situation, has made them that they are not able to produce, or they have a lot of constraints in supply chain. So that made us to, choose, and then as per the government advice also, Tamil Nadu state government wanted us to chip in and then support them in terms of, the supply chain and logistics.
Any Hyundai suppliers catering to them now?
Yeah, this is basically a support system wherein, as you are aware that the France, which from where this company is originated, is having serious problems in France because of this COVID-19. They are unable to procure parts from there, and then from different other countries also, as there is no flights going, or even if they are going, it's very difficult to get them. So, due to this constraint, they are not able to proceed with, while our country at present needs a huge number of ventilators, and Tamil Nadu state government in particular has requested them to at least make 1,000 numbers on an urgent basis and give it to them. So our arrangement with Air Liquide will be in terms of supporting them in locating the parts which equivalent parts, and also finding out whether any of our vendors can produce them, and also making sure that they get the quantity in time, and then they also start producing it. So these are the arrangements with Air Liquide. Also helping them in the supply chain, and also making sure that their production system also is ramped up to make sure they produce the quantity.
Can you tell us about the duration of the agreement?
Yeah, this arrangement is basically for the present, the serious condition, pandemic condition, and then as of now we have agreed to support them for the arrangements that they have with, the government, like Government of Tamil Nadu, Air Liquide, and Hyundai Motor India. So this arrangement is, as of now, stands only for this particular situation, grave situation. Once we come out of it, possibly anything more possible, we will explore them. At this moment, it is not drafted.
Great. Is there any financial support from Hyundai Motor India now?
As of now, there is no financial support. This is basically identifying the vendor, supporting them in terms of procuring them, and also ensuring that they get it at the earliest. Yes, some of the suppliers, our suppliers, who can produce a similar component or identical one, or if they can, adjust their own design drawing to meet this parts, they will definitely support and then produce these parts and give it to them.
Thank you, Mr. Datta, for sparing time. Now, let us listen to Mr. Ganesh Mani. Welcome, Mr. Ganesh Mani. I would like to know from you how Hyundai's manufacturing expertise is helping to make ventilators?
It's a very brilliant question, Mr. Murli. Mr. Murli, as a responsible, corporate, which are socially responsible, also a caring brand, and our efforts for progress for humanity, keeping those views of our global vision, Hyundai has always been working towards, in whatever may be the possible way, to make sure to take heads on the effort of Government of India and local governments to make sure COVID-19 is out of India. So we have been doing this activity in multi-pronged way, which we call it as a 360-degree approach. Starting from various contributions to Chief Minister's Fund and the Prime Minister's Relief Fund and Prime Minister's Care Fund. Also, apart from that, the first thing yesterday we have already come out clearly saying that we are also supplying 25,000 people test kit also. Yesterday we handed over to Government of India, which has been very, very crucial contribution, because having led this fight against this virus in Korea successfully, these test kits I'm sure is going to really help India in a big way. Apart from that, taking care of the poor people, the migrant laborers, we have been contributing in terms of dry ration to various people, various districts, various states also. That is an ongoing process. Apart from that, the personal protective equipments of various paramedical forces, and that is also another contribution which we have been giving. So we have been doing it in multiple processes and ways, so that in best possible way how Hyundai can actually contribute to the social cause as a part of our CSR activity. So now coming back to your question on how well we are, how we are into the business of it. Since the ventilator is one of the most important equipment which is having paramount importance, when Government of Tamil Nadu approached us, and since Air Liquide is a company which is also stationed in Chennai, so we have gone into this strategic partnership of providing the support which they need to augment to the level of 1,000 ventilators in a shorter span of time. That is how we got into the picture. Our effort will be in terms of helping their supply chain network, as well be augmenting their production numbers. That's where our expertises are involved, and we are going to help them in a full-fledged manner. That is how we are into the business of helping our own country in a best possible manner of increasing the number of ventilators availability to the entire public of India.
Can you tell us about those best practices of Hyundai that helped Air Liquide in manufacturing ventilators?
So you know that we are in India for the last 23 years. We have got more than 9 million strong customer base, satisfied customers who are there. But we have been supplying, we have been able to make various products, able to augment right from the level of 300 per units per day to the level of 2,600 per day unit. Augmentation capabilities we do have in terms of increasing the numbers of manufacturability. So we are also advanced, connected, technology available. That is in terms of car manufacturing. But there is a company which has got already a technology available with them, world-renowned, medical equipment suppliers. They need a help in terms of increasing the capacity from a 2-digit per month, which is actually a local requirement, to the level of 1,000 units, which is a big numbers increase. And that's where we are going to work with them. So we have all those capabilities of quick ramp up capabilities and all the other activities of quickly supplying in terms of helping them in making the components available to them in a quicker possible manner. That's how we are going to play a role.
What is the manufacturing capacity of Air Liquide before Hyundai support, and how will this improve after your support?
See, currently whatever the orders, whatever they have their capacity. So I'm not going to really talk about what is current level of them, but we are working such a way that, as early as possible to the level of 1,000 units per month is the augmentation level we are working out, and all our effort will be working towards that direction only. Right? And this is one part of it. So I talked about various initiatives right from the level of how, as a responsible company, we have also been doing CSR activities also, and also as an employer who have been working, who also have a lot of 15,000 plus people who are working inside. So as and when we are going to start back, we have already started working towards social distancing, how our employees' well-being can be maintained and monitored, and also the kind of activities which are required to really keep this particular initiative of the government to really keep it sustainable. So we have made an extensive standard operating procedure for the employees to follow, and the entire our supply chain community also. That's the second portion of it. And also, coming back to the ventilator system also, we are also, our engineers have worked, internally also, and they have come out with something called as a prototype ambu bag actuating system. This system is primarily to replace, this is not an exact replacement of ventilator, but till the time a full-fledged ventilator system is available, these are all being used as an emergency purpose of supplying oxygen to the patient as and when required, which is a current prevailing practice. The only thing is the ambu bag needed to be always actuated through the manual intervention so far. So somebody has to keep pressing oxygen into them, and it is highly infectious. So what government of Tamil Nadu officials and also renowned doctors were saying, in case if we can really substitute this activity of a human being who has to present all the time, which is also there is always a fear of getting infected, can we actually use this some kind of a semi-automatic arrangement to really make it possible. So I'm happy to say that we have made 2 prototypes of this setup also, and I'm really thankful to government of Tamil Nadu, doctors and officials. They have given a lot of various inputs as to what needs to go through in these machines. Our prototype number 3 would be ready by Monday. We'll be submitting to them, and as and when they require, we can always supply that numbers also using our own resources. Yeah.
Do you see any learning from making ventilators that you can deploy in manufacturing cars?
I mean, this is a really establishment fact that Hyundai is for the people of India, and wherever it is required, we will go all our effort to make sure it happens. That's what because it's only a re-establishment of these factors. And also we are going to, work out on various initiatives, working hand in hand with various state governments, also a central government, to make sure COVID-19 is going out of our country as early as possible.
Thank you, Mr. Ganesh Mani, for sparing your time with us. Thank you.